Oh, okay. Um, so that's a thing. That's definitely a thing she's putting on her face. Oh, that's the eyebrow things that everybody's been like obsessing over. That everybody says they need to have. She looks like it kind of looks like when you're in preschool. Oh, we're switching over. Okay. That's eyeliner. That is eyeliner. I know that because the kid's from school. That is, what is that? It looks kind of like hummus. Not gonna lie. It kind of looks like hummus. I could go for some hummus right now. That actually sounds really good. Some homemade hummus. Ooh. I want more hummus. Okay. Ooh, hearts. Cute. Cutesy. Um, that's a line. I think the kids call it a wing these days. Oh no, that's not the wing. That's the other thing. Huh. That is dark powder. Again, that's what the kids in school wear. What the heck is that? What is that? Oh my gosh, what is that? More hummus. A lot of more hummus. Wow, that is a lot of hummus. Would you look at that hummus? No, that's what's the name? Concealer? No, not concealer. Oh, we're just gonna call it hummus. It's hummus. She's putting hummus on her face. You know, no judgment. Oh, she's getting dots. She's getting dots. Looking like getting ready for war paint. Dots. That is. Oh, is that the highlight? Is that highlight? Oh no, I guess it's not highlight. Oh, gotta go Cardi B on y'all going. Ew. I don't know what that is either. I'm gonna be completely honest. I have zero clue. Is this highlight? That's highlight. There it is. Ew. Cardi B. Ew. Go get that highlight. You go do it. Aren't you supposed to be put on your nose too? I thought it was like the nose, the cheeks, and that's it. Maybe that wasn't highlight. Probably wasn't. I'm not sure what that is either. It looks like white powder. Yo, I really like I came in this thinking like, oh, I'm gonna, this is gonna be a bad video because I'm gonna know it. I really don't know anything about it. Oh my gosh, I really have no clue what's. Oh my gosh, what is she doing to her eye? No, whoa, what was that? Girl, if you're doing that every day, you need help. I'm sorry, I don't even know what that is, but that looks painful. That's mascara. I'm pretty sure every guy knows that. That is mascara. That is the one thing we know. That and highlight. Because who doesn't know those? Okay, and we're done. Alright. There you go. Goodbye. Wave to the camera, blow a kiss, little BQC. Alright, bye.